Can drinking coffee help promote weight loss? As a society deeply engaged in the culture of coffee, Americans invest a significant amount of time and money into their daily caffeine fix, with over $1.13 billion a year funneled into the industry. The passion for coffee extends beyond the quest for alertness. Enter a new perspective that links coffee to diet and potential weight loss. A recent publication proposes that integrating coffee into one's diet could not only heighten mental sharpness, but also energize metabolic processes, ultimately assisting with fat loss and possibly enhancing the efficacy of exercise. This discourse isn't only about the aromatic experience coffee affords, it scrutinizes the science behind the beverage and how it could interplay with health and well-being. The debate extends to how much coffee is beneficial and where the line should be drawn, especially for individuals sensitive to caffeine. The suggestions to maximize the virtues of coffee include adopting a specific mode of consumption, eschewing additives like cream and sugar, and savoring coffee in a certain way to amplify its sensory impact. Drinking coffee may offer several health benefits, including aiding in weight management. Incorporating multiple cups of black coffee into a balanced, low-calorie diet could potentially increase metabolic rate slightly, leading to an additional calorie burn of about 100 calories. Furthermore, coffee seems to facilitate the body's ability to utilize fat during physical activity and can enhance exercise intensity. Beyond physical health, coffee consumption may also have a positive impact on mental well-being, potentially improving mood during a weight loss journey. However, it's essential to consume coffee mindfully, as excess intake can lead to unwanted side effects, such as increased heart rate, elevated blood pressure, and sleep disturbances. Individuals with a higher sensitivity to caffeine, or those with particular health concerns, such as hypertension, should approach coffee consumption with caution and consider lower caffeine options like decaffeinated coffee, which contains substantially less caffeine than its regular counterpart. While adding coffee to one's diet, it is crucial to forego adding high-calorie additives like cream and sugar, as they can counteract any benefits by significantly increasing calorie intake. Instead, experts suggest enjoying black coffee to fully harness its advantages without sabotaging dietary goals. For those who appreciate the taste nuances of coffee, techniques such as slurping have been suggested to enhance the drinking experience by allowing better integration of taste and aroma. Overall, as with any dietary changes, it is recommended to consult with a healthcare provider to tailor coffee consumption to individual health needs and goals.